At week 4 of pregnancy, an extraordinary transformation is quietly unfolding. The journey that began with the union of a single sperm and egg has now progressed to a critical milestone. Deep within the protective walls of the uterus, the tiny embryo, no bigger than a poppy seed, has begun a process that will shape its entire existence. This is the week when the baby's heart, a simple but powerful structure, starts to beat for the very first time. During this early stage, the embryo is composed of just a few layers of cells, but each layer has a specific role. The innermost layer will develop into the digestive and respiratory systems. The middle layer is already hard at work, forming the beginnings of muscles, bones, blood vessels, and most importantly, the heart. The outer layer, meanwhile, will become the nervous system, skin, and hair. By week 4, these layers are rapidly multiplying and folding, orchestrating the initial steps of life's complex design. The heart is among the first organs to take shape, even before the brain. It starts off as a simple tubular structure situated in the very center of the embryo. Around this time, the neural tube, another vital structure, begins to close, marking the foundation of the brain and spinal cord. But it's the heart's first beats that signal the remarkable transition from a cluster of cells to a developing human being. Though the heart is not yet divided into its 4 familiar chambers, it has already begun to function. It pulses with a primitive rhythm, pumping vital nutrients and oxygen from the mother's blood supply throughout the tiny body. These early heartbeats are too faint to be detected by standard ultrasound, but they are relentless, steady, and vital. Each beat marks the embryo's progression toward a fully formed heart, which will ultimately beat more than 3 billion times over a lifetime. Even though this heart is just a basic tube, its early action is crucial. Blood circulates through the embryo, carrying nutrients to rapidly dividing cells and removing waste. This circulation supports the development of other organs and ensures that growth continues at a breathtaking pace. The placenta and umbilical cord, essential lifelines between mother and baby, are also beginning to form at this stage. These structures will soon take over the role of delivering nourishment and oxygen, as well as removing waste products. For the expectant mother, week 4 is often the time when early pregnancy symptoms begin to make themselves known. She may notice subtle changes, perhaps a missed period, heightened sense of smell, or mild fatigue. Internally, her body is hard at work, producing hormones that support the embryo's development and preparing for the months ahead. Though the embryo remains minuscule, about 1 millimeter long, it is rapidly developing its first organs and body systems. The groundwork for the baby's face, neck, and lower jaw is being laid down. Tiny buds will soon emerge, which in time will become arms and legs. The spinal cord and brain are forming, while the beginnings of the gastrointestinal tract are taking shape. Week 4 is a time of wonder and promise. The embryo's first heartbeat is a symbol of new life and possibility, a signal that the incredible journey from conception to birth is well underway. Each beat, small and silent, heralds the start of a lifelong symphony. In the weeks and months to come, this tiny heart will grow stronger, its rhythm growing louder, until one day it will echo in the delivery room, a testament to the miracle of human development.